Go-karts. They're open. That looks like fun. We should bring the kids up here and do that. Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks. We talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. Quick moto vlog here. I recently put up a video about a motorcycle accident April had a month ago. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description, or in the video above and in the description, and in a card at the end of the video, and you can go watch that. But I got a lot of comments in the video about, you know, inexperienced rider, which she wouldn't argue. She's her third season riding. She's not experienced compared to me or a lot of other people. Everybody said that, you look where you go where you look, that whole thing. And I made that comment in the video, heads and eyes. You know, people do tend to go where they look. But, you know, the other side of the coin that we tell people as motorcyclists is head on a swivel. Watch everything. Look for deer. Look for, you know, dogs to run out in the road. Look for that car to pull out of that road in front of you. You know, treat everybody like they're out to kill you. Watch everything. So, you know, how is an inexperienced rider supposed to watch everything constantly, head on a swivel? What's over there? What's over there? What are they doing? And yet, they're supposed to keep their eyes on the road where they want the motorcycle to go. Well, it's a balance. I think both things are right, but it's sometimes hard to do both things well. And, you know, we say all this, and it's really easy to say, but is it so easy to do, especially for an inexperienced rider? You know, I wouldn't teach April to ride when she decided she wanted to ride her own. I mean, I taught her some basics on a little 250 Rebel I have, but I made her take a safety course. I've been riding for so long that I don't know how to teach anybody, or at least 3 years ago, I didn't. I went to the safety course with her. I watched what the instructor did. I watched what he taught them. And, you know, now I could teach someone some basics, but I'm not an instructor, and I wouldn't teach somebody to ride and, you know, expect them to go take the test and just take off and go. But we tell inexperienced riders, oh, you aren't watching the road. And then we tell them, oh, you weren't watching for that car to pull out in front of you. Well, you know, are we asking a lot from them? Yeah, we are, because their life may depend upon it. But, you know, it doesn't mean it's going to be easy for them to do, and that they're not going to make mistakes, and that, you know, we shouldn't be conscientious of that. And remember, even experienced riders, we can make mistakes. I've been distracted, and, you know, the light turned green, and I took off, turned to the left in front of other cars. Now, I was on the bike, and I was fast enough. I jumped out, got across before I got hit, but it was a really dumb, bonehead move, and, you know, I'm lucky I didn't get hit. And I've been riding for 30 years, but I got distracted, and shit happens. You know, you just gotta, you know, learn from your mistakes. Remember to, you know, don't be distracted. Don't daydream. Clear your head and focus on riding when you're riding. So, yeah, that's my quick rant about, you know, keeping your eyes on the road, but watch everything. Both sides, all the time. Head on a swivel. So, what do y'all think? Do you do both? Can everybody do both? Is it hard for inexperienced riders to do both? Let me know and leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video. And as always, be safe and keep on riding.